Hello everybody, and welcome again to another video from Conservation Land Services and also now Total Weed Control. It's the end of January and I was keen to be able to show you how it's still possible at this time of year to identify areas of Field Horsetail Equisetum arvense. Now Field Horsetail is obviously native. It's been here since the time of the dinosaurs. It was grazed on by dinosaurs. It's a prehistoric plant. However, if you do have areas of tarmac or paved areas, it's something you really need to take very, very seriously. So planning your control program often means taking the opportunity at every time of year to try and identify areas where you might have Field Horsetail. So I'm just going to turn the camera around and we'll have a look at what it looks like at this time of year. So you can see here quite clearly, although it's not active, it's not growing, here are the remains of the previous season's growth. So it is still worth going around, walking the areas of ground that you own or have responsibility for, to see if you can identify these areas, and you should still find the remains of the previous season's growth. Quite distinctive indicators. You know, you've got these little black toothed areas and this brush-like leaf form, but I'll also add a photograph to help you with that. I hope you find that's helpful. For more information, go to www.conservationlandservices.co.uk. Bye bye.